Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. I got this interesting question on how to find the global EQ on the board itself on the Validating GP200. So you have to press the globals button on the board. It looks like this. You have to use the power knob to scroll through the options, and then you will see the global EQ over here. You have to press the power knob to access it, and then you will get to see the EQ curve. So over here you realize there's on and off, and then there's level, there's low cut. So if let's say you want to increase your low cut, see the diagram, you realize as I'm increasing it, it is also corresponding, but I want to take it back to the 20 hertz that it was initially. Most of the low frequencies below 20 hertz on the guitar isn't really used in production. That's why I cut it off, but you can leave it at 0, and then you can use the power knob to scroll each of the bands and then change the frequency. You can change the Q. The Q is more like how wide or how close it's going to modify the EQ curve. And then we have the band gain. So you can experiment with it. So you see how it is. Now if I increase the Q, you realize it's changing its shape. So by default it is 0.71 if you are using the software, or you can set it to 0.7 over here and it will be back to normal. So I'll take this back to 0 dB, and then we have the flat EQ curve again, 0. So you can scroll through different bands, different frequencies, modify as you please. If you are in a live situation where you need to quickly modify your EQ curve, your global EQ, this is how to go about it without the software. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button. See you next time.